Welcome to the Tours Travels Chatbot preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to make every traveler's journey smoother, easier, and completely hassle-free. The experience begins with a warm welcome message followed by a clean and easy-to-navigate main menu. Here, the user explores 5 key services: flight booking, hotel booking, holiday packages, visa assistance, and customer support. These are generic industry options, but they can be customized as per an individual's business needs and requirements. When the user selects holiday packages, the bot further refines the search by asking whether they are interested in a domestic or international trip. If the user chooses an international trip, they are then prompted to pick a specific destination of their choice. Once a destination is selected, the chatbot instantly presents a complete holiday package along with 2 action buttons: View Itinerary and Book This Package. If the user taps on View Itinerary, the bot displays a fully detailed travel plan covering everything from day-wise activities to inclusions and highlights. From here, the user can proceed to book the package. Upon selecting the booking option, the chatbot automatically generates a short questionnaire to collect all essential details, such as the traveler's name, number of travelers, travel dates, and mobile number. Once the user submits these information, the chatbot immediately responds with a confirmation and an acknowledgement message explaining the next step in the process. This smart, interactive system ensures a seamless travel planning experience, from exploring packages to finalizing bookings, all within a single chat window. Now that we've explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing boat or create a new one. After selecting the boat, copy the template you want to install and click Create Boat. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created boat. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. With these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, PDFs, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Tours and Travels Chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.